Hi, I'm Cheyenne, a Bill.com project expert. Welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Our question today comes from Alex. Alex writes, how do I choose a new faucet for my existing bathroom sink? Great question, Alex. Whether you're replacing a leaky faucet or just want to update the look of your bathroom, there are a few things you need to know before you start shopping. How many faucet holes there are, how far apart they sit, and the style and spout of the handles you prefer. Let's head into the Bill.com bathroom set to learn more. First, let's talk about faucet holes. There are three main types of faucets: single hole, widespread, and center set. Whether or not they'll work in your bathroom will depend on how many holes you have to work with. Here we've chosen an undermount sink, so the holes are already drilled into the vanity top, but the same considerations still apply. Single hole faucets have the handle built into the unit, and as the name implies, will only work with sinks or vanities that have only one installation hole. Widespread and center set faucets have separate hot and cold handles to operate the faucet and require 3 installation holes. So typically, there will be 1 or 3 installation holes in the sink or vanity top to accommodate the faucet. If you like the look of a single hole faucet but have 3 pre-drilled holes into your sink or vanity top, you can look for a model that includes an escutcheon plate to cover up the other 2 holes. Next, let's talk about spread, also known as faucet centers. That's the distance between the faucet handles, and you'll need to know this measurement if you choose a center set or widespread faucet. Center set faucets have the spout and handles set on a fixed base. Because the handles can't be repositioned, you'll have to make sure that the distance between them exactly matches the holes in your sink. Fortunately, the vast majority of center set faucets have a standard 4-inch spread, but make sure to double check before ordering. The other type of 3-hole faucet is the widespread. Unlike a center set faucet, a widespread faucet has an independent spout and handles. They're not connected to a base or to each other, so you have flexibility on how far apart you place them. Finally, you'll need to decide on what type of spout and handles you prefer. You'll want to choose a design that matches your decor, but also functions well for you and your family. Consider spout height and reach when choosing your faucet. Spout height is how far the end of the spout sits above the rim of the sink. You'll want enough clearance to comfortably wash your hands. Spout reach refers to how far the spout extends over the sink. It should extend far enough so that you have room to wash your hands without bumping into the back of the sink, but not so far that it causes water to splash out of the front of the basin. The type of handle that you choose will have a lot to do with the style of your bathroom. Cross handles and knobs are operated by grasping and twisting to control the water flow, whereas lever handles can be operated without grasping or twisting. There are a lot of variations on the standard spouts and handles. You can narrow down your search by sorting for decor style and finish. Just remember to gather some basic information before you start shopping: how many faucet holes there are, how far apart they sit, and the style of the spout and handles you prefer. For more great tips on choosing the perfect bathroom faucet, check out our buying guide by clicking the link below, and visit Bill.com to shop for everything you need for your next project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching.